Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am doing my faith over fear number 2 for the second time on my Bible journal, and I'll be doing it. I'll be doing my special prayer on my prayer binder. So I'm going to choose something from here. These are the colors that I'm going to choose, and this one, the deep sea. I am going to try to do something with this card. And that's it for now, so I'll speed it up so you're not bored. So I am done. My verse was Psalm 94:19. In the multitude of my thoughts within me, thy comforts delight my soul. So as you can see, when I use my acrylic paints, I can still, well, you probably can't see, but I can still see the words of the Bible, which I like. I probably won't use any dark colors for the simple fact that I still want to use this Bible to read. As you saw, I used a cardboard stock sticker, and I used the tip-in. Ooh, more tip-ins. One of the tip-ins. I did change my mind a couple of times. Sorry about that. And all I did was the little swatches with a credit card. You put the paint in the back and just swash over. So that wasn't bad. That was pretty easy. And I used the washi tape. Where is it? Somewhere around here. Right here. Use the washi tape. And of course it has a bunch of different words, so I cut out just rejoice and love. So to me, as I was chosen, I should be rejoicing, and I should have lots of love because you, meaning God, filled my soul and spirit. So I did the this with my Uniball pen, and let's see, and the back looks pretty good. So I didn't get just a little bit of bleed through, nothing major. The paint was fine, and I didn't get a lot of crinkle. So there you have it. Day 2. Oh, I should stamp it with today's date on it, shouldn't I? And today, all day, is the 17th. So today's the 17th. Let's plop that there somewhere so we can know that it was on the 17th. And I am going to put, since I didn't use any other washi but the one that came with the kit, I'm just gonna cut off forgive. If I can get it off. I'm just gonna cut it up a little bit. Forgive. Where's my scissors? I'll take the hearts with me. There you go. And I am going to put it here somewhere so it can indicate that I did do a journaling in this page. So I'm gonna put the heat gun for a little bit and call it a day. Thank you. God bless. Thank you for watching. Hey guys, this is the prayer journal. So I will be doing the exact same thing I just did to my Bible journal, but I will pray and do my journaling in my prayer journal. So I will be fast forwarding the rest of this video. So I am done with my prayers. So I wrote down the Psalms 94:19, in the multitude of my thoughts within me, thy comforts delight my soul. And I did my little prayer. I did these with my Tombow brush. I got the cardstock sticker. I put the washi tape just to give it some texture, just to have something on there, and then the date in the bottom with my Tombow. And then I kept the same pattern as I did with the Bible journal, but I did the same thing yesterday, so we're good to go. God bless. Thank you for watching.